TrueNAS Tech Talk has released two videos since the last time I've done a summary. In the first video, they cover SSD care and feeding, what you should and shouldn't be doing to keep your NAND healthy. In the second video, they do a deep dive into ZFS caching and tiering, plus an update on LXC containers in TrueNAS Halfmoon. Let's look at each of these videos one at a time and do a detailed summary so you can make sure you're all caught up with the latest news. I'm your host, Evan. Let's get started. On the episode from a couple weeks ago, Chris got into the weeds on solid-state drive maintenance. The reason for this is we all want our solid-state drives to last longer considering how high prices have gotten lately. The takeaways are, number one, that scrubs handle the charge decay that happens on NAND cells. Your SSD cells are slowly leaking voltage over time, and when you run a scrub, ZFS reads all your data. Second, if you're using auto trim on your drives, don't do this for SATA drives, especially on those that are before the 3.1 spec. They can stall your entire VDEV during trim operations. The best thing to do is disable auto trim and schedule it for quiet hours, just like the way you do with your scrubs currently. Third, if you're using a slog device, you need to make sure you have power loss protection for in-flight data in the buffer, not just the data at rest. Moving on to episode 49. We got a proper deep dive into the special VDEVs of ZFS. We already covered this in the ZFS For Dummies video. Go watch it by clicking the link in the video description below. Now, they're also evolving these for OpenZFS 2.4 and TrueNAS Halfmoon. Those versions will support hosting entire datasets and potentially acting as log devices as well. And that's going to be really interesting for people that are using hybrid flash and spinning pools at the same time. Now to get to the container updates for TrueNAS Halfmoon. The migration from the Incus backend to libvirt is complete. The experimental label is gone. What does this mean for you? Well, we can finally start using the container section without worrying about stability. The main thing that stands out is the LXC changes coming in Halfmoon in April. What are you most excited to deploy as an LXC? Would you like to see us do an LXC video? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to get notified when we drop new videos of TrueNAS news. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go watch the latest T3 recap video to make sure you're caught up on all the TrueNAS news. If you want to see content YouTube won't let us show, head over to Patreon. There's a link for it in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious.